Okay, we're going to do a review on Jdiction's resin crete. So this is a water-based product. This is a powder, and all you do is add a little bit of water. It is 10:3 ratio, and then you pour it into your mold. You wait 30 minutes, you demold, and then you're going to see the creation. So I'm going to do a little demo so you guys can see. This is actually an owl planter mold. This is also purchased from Amazon, and this is the resin crete from Amazon. So stay tuned to see what we create. Okay, so I have added the gold leaf to the inside of my mold. Next up, we're going to measure out the resin crete powder. I'm going to measure it into my measuring cup and put 3 parts powder, 1 part liquid. Once we added our liquid, we're going to mix it up, and then we are going to pour it into our mold. I'm going to be revealing our resin crete creation by Jdiction. They did gift me this product to try out and to see if I enjoyed it, and I did very much. Here is the final reveal, and stay tuned for a quick little video of how it looks with the plant inside. It's nice and heavy and solid, feels like cement, and it was demolded in just 30 minutes. Okay, so here you have it. This is how it looks with the plant inside. Thanks for watching.